This is continue lesson of history for class 6th, that is what, where, how and when. This is continue lesson of that lesson. Now we are going to the topic. Now next topic is how we find out the difference between two dates. How we find out the difference between two dates. If both dates BC or AD, then we subtract the smaller date from bigger one. Example, the time difference between the 2000 BC and 500 BC, 2000 minus 500 is equal to 1500 years. We get the answer 1500 years. So this is the trick. It means if both dates are there in BC or AD, then we subtract the smaller date from bigger one. Clear? Let us see next slide. If one date is BC and other is AD, then we add two dates. Right? Here in previous method we are subtract smaller date from bigger one. Now here we add two dates. For example, the time difference between 500 BC and 1500 AD. 500 years plus 1500 years is equal to 2000 years. We get the answer 2000 years. So this is the trick how we find out the dates. If their dates or years are there in the history book, either BC or AD, then we are use this trick and we get the answer. Then let us see next slide. In India, we began to use these terms about 200 years ago with the influence of Britishers. We are using this type of the BC and AD, these methods with the influence of the Britishers, and afterwards it is continue we are using. But earlier we calculated dates according to Vikram Samvat. Vikram Samvat means Vikram Samvat. It means it is a our Hindu calendar. It is regarding to this Gupta dynasty. In Gupta dynasty, one of the king Vikramaditya started the Vikram Shaka, Vikrama era. That's why we have this Vikram Samvat calendar. Clear? Now it's time for giving your homework or worksheet. So please copy these questions and complete in your free time in your home. My dear student, I hope all of you understand my lesson very well. If you have any doubt in my next class, please ask or send to me message. I will clear your doubt, and we will meet in next class with next another topic. Thank you.